Welcome back to my channel, people. Brownbossjatours. Yes, people. So today we'll be touring the beautiful peninsula here in Montego Bay that is surrounded by the turquoise Caribbean Sea as depicted on the map on your screen. So yes, people, a really beautiful and natural peninsula, attached here to Montego Bay. So come with me, people, while we tour this area. Yes, people, so this area would feature a lot of attractions, mainly the Montego Bay cruise ship port, where the cruise ship would actually dock and the tourists would disembark them to shop around in the Montego Bay Freeport shopping center, to get various Jamaican branded products. And it's filled with a lot of entertainment like music, food, Jamaican food, and a whole lot more. So yes, people, as we drive along, we will see like tour buses and other units parked, awaiting to pick up their guests and take them wherever they want to go. Now, this area features a lot of resorts, restaurants and bars. Resorts like Sunset Beach Resorts, Secrets Resorts, Breathless Resort, and a whole lot more. We have Marina Palms, Seawind on the Bay. So a whole lot of places you can definitely stay at and enjoy yourself here in Montego Bay. Sit back, relax, take in the breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. So we have just passed the Montego Bay Freeport shopping center, and as you can see, persons have their goods on the outside. There are paintings there. So yes, people, that's how we do it here in Jamaica. We always, juggling, making that paper. That's what we do best. So as we're driving, we can definitely see the cruise ship there, docked over towards the right. So yes, people, a really huge ship here in our island. Persons coming here to enjoy a piece of Jamaica. And I can guarantee you, they'll be coming back. So yes, people, a really, nice little peninsula here in Montego Bay on the western section of here of the island. So just come with me, people, while we drive along this area.